Morning everybody. So where am I? Well, I'm actually in a place called Pano Arodes in Cyprus. A lovely traditional village on the Akamas. And I'm just going to take you for a walk around the village square. There's lots of driving tours around here and visiting tours, but I'm just going to walk around the village square. Pano Arodes, which is on the edge of the Akamas. Lots of walking tours around here. Lovely church in the middle, and it's on the Cyprus wine route, stop number 1, and there's a traditional coffee shop in the centre which we'll end up at. So let's just walk down the road here. A lovely church there. Oh, try not to get run down. Obviously wines used to be the heart of the village here, probably still are in many respects. The wine press and the wheel for crushing the grapes. Look at this lovely old village. I love the stone, traditional stone. Not quite sure when these were built, but they're beautiful. Definitely worth a stop if you're on the wine route. And it's great in Cyprus because there aren't really any parking places. You just kind of park. You just kind of stop. You stop and say hello to friends or hello to people. And people just get by. Now actually when I first arrived, they've since gone, the Land Rovers were here that do the Akamas tours from the hotels down in Paphos. Down there. So they were here, so this is one of their stops en route. So this is the traditional coffee shop. Look at that. Lovely place. I had a great little coffee in there, but a great place for coffee or a beer. And you can tell we're in a farming community. There's a little tractor there with the plough on the back. But a lovely place. So if you're coming out of Paphos, we're probably about 20 minutes from Paya. It's very windy, so apologies for that. But yeah, we're about 20 minutes from Paya. So probably 35-40 minutes from Paphos. Let's walk down here actually to the square. Definitely worth a trip. Pay a visit to the coffee shop because they do fabulous coffee. A real Cypriot coffee. It's obviously a busy little place. And a lovely little church as well, which is just fabulous. So there we go, a short little walking tour of Pano Arodes. Definitely worth a stop. There we go, thanks for watching. Now the marketing side of things, if you haven't already, if you can subscribe, it would be much appreciated. Costs you nothing and helps the channel enormously. Until the next one, thank you very much. Bye bye.